just Belinda again. So ngayon, mag-unboxing tayo ng package. Ito galing to sa Young Living Essential Oils. So nag-order ako nito guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo isang diffuser at saka mga essential oils. So hi Bill Macho, my package is already here. Essential oils. So ito siya. From our fields to your family. Over 25 years of quality commitment. So ito yung oils, essential oils. Tapos ito naman yung diffuser. So, essential oils. So babasahin ko to kung paano ko gagawin, paano gamitin. At saka ito yung oil. Tapos ito yung libro, Clean Living, Home Safe Home. Home Safe Home, yan. Kasama dito sa package. Tapos itong Young Living, marami akong babasa. Naka 24% discount. $165 ito lahat. Mag-unboxing tayo ng Young Living. Ang kinuha akong diffuser is the Desert Mist. Ito yung mga oils niya, essential oils na kasama dito at saka yung mga important kung paano gagamitin ito, yung getting started with essential oils. Yan, ito yung instructions. Yan ang instructions. Buksan natin. Okay, yeah. Be careful. Yan. Open natin, guys. Yan. So, ito yung napili ko nga diffuser. Very mature. Ito na. So, ayan siya, guys. Young Living. Yan. Si Bill Macho ang nagbigay sa akin ng mga information tungkol dito. Kasi matagal ko na itong gusto noon pa. Ito yung plug niya. Yung connection para sa electricity. So, ito yung information niya. Operation manual. So, kailangan basahin natin ito. Kung paano gagamitin. Tapos, ito yung essential oils. 10 yata ang laman nito. I love their smell. Tapos may mga benefits kasi yung mga oils nila. Yan. Yan. Ito yung mga oil. Ayan. Ayan na yung essential oils ng Young Living. So ito 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yan. So, ang una is peppermint, lemon, thieves, dijice, lavender, panaway, beller, and raven, and from. I don't know if I pronounce it right, pero yan siya. Okay. Tapos, ito yung mga extra hand sanitizer na Franken's 8. So, may kasama siya, guys. Yan. Tapos, meron ditong thieves na spray. Kasama siya sa kit. So, isang kit ang binili ko. $165. May 24% discount na yon. So, ito yung binili ko. Tapos, meron silang extra na stress away na sample. Itong iba. Kasama nito. Ano to siya? Then, ito pa pala, may isa pa. Tapos, meron silang kasamang Ningxia Red. Energize, fortified, and revitalize. Essential oil infused whole berry supplement. So, ito, dalawa ang kasama. So, paisa-isa muna ang gamitin nating oils para malaman natin kung ano talaga ang gusto nating gamitin. Pero lahat sila guys maganda. Iba-iba ang benefits nila. So guys, we'll try the lavender oil, and then then this is the diffuser. We'll remove it first. So you have to plug the outlet here in the side, no, in the bottom on the side. And then you just leave it. Use soft water or distilled water. Okay. Not exceed the water fill line. So we'll see. Okay, I think that's good enough. And then it said add 8 to 10 drops of essential oil. So, ang gagamitin natin yung lavender. So, i-open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lang muna kasi first time pa naman. So, 8 drops of lavender. And then, you put the inner lid, which is this one. So, this one should attach here in the side. So, it will not leak. So, do like that. Okay, so you know it's locked there. And then we'll put there. This is the decorative. And then you just plug the power adapter into a power outlet. Then it said press the on and off to switch the unit on. The on and off. There. Okay, there you go. And then light on and off. This one here should be there. There you go. Nice. Then the light. This is just a trial, the first time. So, and then if you don't want the light, you push this one here. And then we'll see. I'll need to read more. Press the on and off to switch the unit on. The unit should produce mist and the lid light should be on. Yes, it is. Press one time to turn the unit on in high output mode. The default white light will turn on. The maximum continuous runtime is approximately 5 to 6 hours. Press 2 times for low output. I think I pressed it twice. The maximum runtime is approximately 8 hours. Na guys, ang ating young living. So guys, iba-iba yung kulay niya. Ngayon, red, and then yellow, and then, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo na nag-iiba-iba ang kulay. Pwede mo rin siyang i-maintain kung anong kulay lang ang gusto mo. Pero pwede mo rin siyang ganito. Mas maganda to. Nice kaay. Nice tingnan ba? I-change ang colors. So, maganda yan. Iba na naman. Blue. Yan, violet. Diba maganda? Yan. Okay guys, thank you for watching.